I need an angel to save me from myself. Holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt? Calling forever, for every passing moment left. I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel to light the sky along the way. I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, to keep my heart upon a shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt? Calling forever, for every passing moment left.
Clocky. This elusive alarm clock is a dream for those who have trouble waking up. When the time comes to get up, the device starts to sound stridently. It is possible to turn off the alarm for a minute, but if you don't wake up in that time, the device will start to sound like a siren and it'll run away from its place. The alarm clock will hit the walls and change its direction. To turn it off, you'll have to get out of bed and reach for it. We're sure that after so much hustle and bustle, you will not go back to sleep, especially after having done some exercise. Fortunately, this extreme function can be disabled. This watch can jump from a height of 1 meter on a carpet or ½ meter on a hard floor, like tile or laminate. This is the perfect gadget for the sleepiest people out there.